that's what I was getting a feel for so far. Just putting on my bubble wrap and jumping in the mosh pit.
Hey.
I thought he was being sassy, and I was like, the fuck does that mean? He said that. His my stomach dropped. I was like, Porky.